Asia Pacific Nazarene Theological Seminary is located at the center of the urban area of Taytay, Rizal. APNTS Library is at the third floor of the NCEE building. To all new and returning students, regardless of your location, whether you live inside a campus or studying online, we provide exceptional service and access to learning. We at the library are eager to assist you in finding information you need to meet your academic goals. APNTS is a dynamic, service-oriented, and integral part of the academic division of the seminary. The library is here to support you in your academic endeavors. The library provides a vast array of books, multimedia resources, curriculum-related materials, ebooks, and digital subscriptions that covers all aspects of theological curricula. We promote an information literacy program and research strategy through webinars, allowing students to achieve positive outcomes in support of their academic goals, career, and lifelong learning. To facilitate teaching and research, the library offers a variety of inviting spaces. Study carrels and group study rooms are available to accommodate various learning styles. For short breaks and dining, the library common has a comfortable area designed for users to enjoy light drinks and coffee, equipped with a table and comfortable seating for informal fellowship. You can access the library platform through the APNTS website. From the upper left corner of the page, click Learning Resources. Users must log in to Opals, encode your personal user ID and password assigned to you by the library staff, then click Login. Check your library account. My File is where you check your account profile information. Account information gives you the history of your loans, fines, and overdues. My Loans are currently borrowed resources. This is where you can renew your books. Opal's interface has many colored tabs. Each tabs represent different information of the library resources available for users. To search for the library's scholarly databases, click the 24/7 database for our subscribed and pre-selected open access database that will be helpful to your research. Visit our video instructional tab. These are how-to videos for using the Global Digital Theological Library, the Opals Library System, the library's YouTube channel, and other databases that can be helpful when conducting a research. Step into the exciting world of the library's latest innovative AI research tool tab. Discover how it can enhance your research experience. Get ready to explore a cutting-edge platform that will revolutionize the way you access research materials and information. Engage with the functionalities of machine learning algorithms that consistently adapt to your requirements and research patterns, providing a customized and efficient engagement each time you utilize the AI Research Portal tab. Just remember, APNTS core standards expect all students and research personnel to openly record and disclose their research results. This includes documenting the use of tools or generative AI technologies in their research. To find out the services we offer online, go to the Welcome tab. Write your suggestions and feedback, and our library staff will reply to you right away. You'll be able to find the latest news, library workshops, and events at the Welcome page. If you have any questions about our library services, contact us anytime on our library website at library@apnts.edu.ph. Connect via online chat service. God bless you and your studies from everyone at APNTS Library.